Healthbreak brought to you by Kentucky One Health.
When a woman is expecting, her pelvic floor carries the weight of the child, and those tissues can be damaged in childbirth as well. Physical therapist Jean Ligon from the Women's Hospital at St. Joseph East explains.
The problems with the pelvic floor can show up right after childbirth. You could have some urinary leakage. You could have some feelings of heaviness in the pelvic floor, and that's your indication that you have overdone it.
Fortunately, there are ways that pelvic health physical therapy can strengthen the pelvic floor both before and after childbirth.
We'll see how much strength you do have in that area, how much body awareness you have in that area, and then prepare you for the activities that you're interested in. It's very important to be able to lift your child, perhaps lift a toddler at home, and know how to do all those things safely without doing any damage. You can return to job or sport, and it lasts for the future pregnancies to be able to return that strength.
For more information, go to KentuckyOneHealth.org. I'm Beverly Herbert.